So whenever you install Windows 11, either a fresh install or reinstall Windows 11, it comes with lots of bloatware, many kind of features enabled that spy your activity, track your information, and even slow down the performance. And this is one of the major reasons that why people don't like Windows 11, and many Windows 11 users are not happy because nobody wants that they should get the slow performance, or anybody should track their activity like which application they use, what kind of website they browse. Nobody wants that these all information should shared with anybody. But no need to worry, today in this video guys, I will be sharing a very simple method through which you would be able to stop all these features spying on you and remove all kind of bloatware that is eating your CPU and the RAM resources. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. As of now, you can see I'm on my Windows 11 that I recently reinstalled, and if I click on the Windows icon, you will find that all these bloatware like Clipchamp, Microsoft Teams, To Do, News, Weather, Quick Assist, everything has been installed here. And even in the setting, you will find all these features are being enabled that basically track your information and even store your activity in a log that is shared with the Microsoft. Not only this, if you bring up the task manager without installing any kind of application, you will find here in the performance, the CPU utilization is high, the process count is above 140, the thread count is around 1800, the handle count is around 60,000. And all these unwanted bloatware, the features are contributing a lot to increase this process, thread and handle count. So once you would be able to successfully debloat this application and disable all these features that are spying on you, you will even find the difference in the performance. Alright, next what you have to do, bring up any of your browser and you will have to type here O&O, and here somewhere you will be getting in the suggestion O&O Shutup. That will be helping us to disable all those features that are spying on us, and even you will be getting O&O App Buster that will be helping you to remove all kind of bloatware with a very good recommendation that will help you to decide what should you delete and what you should keep. Alright, so first I can start with O&O App Buster. So I will right click on it, open link in new tab, and it says O&O App Buster free uninstaller for unwanted application. And if you want to have a preview here, you can preview how exactly it look like. Then finally you will have to click on download and the file will be quickly downloaded. So click on the downloaded file, click on yes, and it will be searching for all the application, and bingo, you will be getting this kind of dashboard. It will list you all kind of application here, all kind of bloatware. And if you want to manually delete any application uninstalled, then you can select here, then you can click on remove. Now many of you might be confused that which application you should remove and which you should keep. So for that, they have given a recommendation section here. And if you click on recommendation here for once and again, so on the very top, it will give you all those applications that are recommended to remove. And it says there is no need to keep on your device. So first what you can do, on the very top, you can click on edit, click select all application recommended for removal. So all these applications that are recommended to remove will be selected. Now in the optional section, you can view here that what all the applications are here that you should remove. So for example, I will select this manually. Like I don't want the get help option, Microsoft Teams, I will select it. Xbox Live, I don't need it. Quick Assist, I don't need it. Microsoft Edge, if you also want to uninstall this, then you also have this option here. Start Experience app, I don't need it. Microsoft Clipchamp, I really don't need it, so I will also just check it. Microsoft Bing. Alright, so once you have selected, then finally you will have to click on remove. You want to do this for the current user or for the entire, then you can go with the current user and click on yes. First, it will be creating a restore point for you very quickly, and you can see how quickly it's removing all these applications. And it just took around 7 to 8 seconds, and it says the uninstallation finished successfully. So click on close. Now in case after uninstalling this application in future, if you change your mind and if you want to reinstall it, then don't worry, because you can bring up the Microsoft Store and easily download these applications. Alright, now once you have done this, now you can close and you will find that all these bloatware has been removed and your page is neat and clean now without any kind of bloatware. Now next what you have to do, Again, bring up your browser. And this time, instead of O&O App Buster, we will have to look for O&O Shutup 10++. And it says free anti-spy tool for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So of course, you can use this for Windows 10 as well. So click on download. Download 64-bit. And it's a file of around 75 MB, so it may take some time. Once downloaded, click on this file again. Click on yes. And the dashboard of the O&O Shutup will be up, and here basically don't get panicked because it gave you tons of options to deeply disable all kind of feature that is spy on you. But it doesn't mean that you have to disable all of them. And again, on the right hand side, you can see the recommendation that says yes, limited, or no. Even you can find the category like in the privacy, activity history and clipboard, app privacy, Microsoft Edge, telemetry, Microsoft Edge, legacy version, synchronization of Windows setting, Cortana, Windows AI. Like you can disable the Windows Copilot in the Windows AI section, Windows Copilot plus recall, user behavior, Windows Explorer. So again, for a simple solution, what you can do, from the top you can click on action and it says apply only recommended settings. Or else if you want to go in more depth and you want to also disable some more recommended setting, then you can choose recommended and somewhat recommended setting. Once you will select it, it will again ask you to create a restore point. So click continue. Then it says 2.1.11 settings have been successfully set. So now after this, if you again open up the settings, go to privacy and security, diagnostic and feedback. So you will find that these all settings are being automatic disabled and even it's been grayed out. Not only this, many more like the activity history will be also disabled. And from now onward, the spying issues, the tracking issues have been fixed on your Windows 11. And even after removing all kind of unwanted application, your performance will be also boosted. So if I click on OK and close it, and this time if I bring up the task manager, and then if I go in the performance, boom, now you can see the process count that was around 145. Now it's been around 129. The thread count that was reaching around 1500, I guess. Now it's around 1390. The handle count that reached around 60,000. Now it came to around 51,000. So without putting much effort, using the safest and the free application, you have easily debloated your Windows 11, disable all the spying features on Windows 11. Enjoy your Windows 11 without any kind of problem. And if you feel I really help you out, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.